Hi, this is Dr. James Pan with EvalPlace. EvalPlace is a web-based application that tracks participant, client, or patient data for health and human service organizations. Use EvalPlace to implement program evaluations, to meet the performance measurement requirements of funders, and to assist with quality improvement initiatives. You can use it to assess satisfaction of your clients or patients. Also, it can be used to demonstrate your outcomes so that additional funding for your organization can be obtained. EvalPlace is customizable. It requires no software to download and can be used from any browser. It meets the security and privacy requirements of HIPAA, and it is very cost-effective even for the smallest not-for-profit agencies. Let's take a quick tour of EvalPlace. EvalPlace requires that a designated organizational administrator set up the account initially and then give access to other staff. And that organizational administrator can control the access as staff join and leave the organization. All organization staff can be added in this interface. Their level of access can be controlled. In addition, EvalPlace allows for tracking specific services and programs. We have a list of services that are sort of defaults that can be used, or this list can be added to and edited. It's very easy to add a specific service, and then that can be tracked in terms of attendance. The same is true for the specific programs that are offered. So your organization or entity can set up specific programs that are provided, and then user attendance or participation can be tracked on an ongoing basis. The particular demographics that are obtained by the organization are completely customizable. Here you see a list of demographic variables that have been set up previously. You can add a demographic variable readily. And there are different types of fields that can be selected. In this case, select numeric. We can require it and set a minimum and a maximum. And then it's incorporated into the system. The variable can easily be drag and dropped and reorganized. Once this is set up, it can be modified. The organization of these variables are then reflected in the participant dashboard area. And so this is the primary location. When users log in, they'll come to this screen in order to either add participants, edit participant information, or administer surveys. Attendance can be recorded. So if this participant attended 3 sessions during the week, that can be easily recorded and input. And again, this is all customizable. The specific services, the programs that are offered, those can be set up according to what your agency or organization offers. In addition, the surveys that were administered will also show up. And so in this case, we have the 7-item screener which was given. We can see the date it was assigned, administered, and we can also view the results. In this case, there's just 1 item that has been entered. Also, you can activate or deactivate the client record, the patient record, and you can also delete the record if necessary. A few other things about the participant dashboard area. You can also record attendance for a group of individuals in terms of their participation in a program or service. You can import participants And of course, you can add participants as well. When I say import participants, really what you can do is you can take the information that you might export from another system in relation to participant data, including their demographic information, and bring it into the system automatically so that you don't have to type or retype information more than one time. An important aspect of EvalPlace is the survey creation and administration feature. It's really easy to go ahead and set up a new survey in the system and also add items. One feature, just as out of many, is being able to add new items to a questionnaire. You can actually copy items from the same instrument, and you can copy the answers as well. So not only the questions, but the answers from the instrument that you're working on or from another instrument. So if you have the same answer that you need to use, for instance, strongly agree to strongly disagree for multiple questions, then you don't have to type in those responses multiple times. It's also important to note that there's many different options for your survey questions, anywhere from date to numeric to multiple choice, many different options available. Once your survey or surveys are created, you can go ahead and administer them in one of two ways. You can have a link to the survey sent to your participants so that they can complete it from their computer at home or elsewhere, or you can have them complete the survey on site in your office. So in this case, we'd want to administer the CESDR, and let's say we want to email it to the participant. We can go ahead and select the particular email invitation template that we've developed, and these are all customizable. We can go with the system default, and then select the participants based on our search criteria that we want to send it to. And if we want to send the instrument more than one time, we can also program that as well. So if you have a pre and post test, for instance, you can do that easily within EvalPlace. So in this case, we've set up 2 different times, and you can actually specify the particular time of day that you'd like the survey sent. Go ahead and save that. The system asks us to validate these entries, and once we do that, the email invitation is sent. And the participant will get an email with a unique link that will direct them to the particular survey that they need to complete. Finally, pretty much everything can be imported into EvalPlace, and the same thing with exporting. We can export survey data, we can export attendance data, and demographics data as well. So that's a brief overview of EvalPlace and some of the features. We're going to be adding some reporting features that can be set up and tailored to your particular needs. We welcome you to start using EvalPlace. You can use it for up to 25 participants for free. If you have any questions, please email us at info@evalplace.com, and you can follow EvalPlace on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Our handle is EvalPlace for all 3. We look forward to hearing from you and interacting with you. Thank you very much.